In this video, we are going to discuss about the process. We will start with the definition, then we will discuss the characteristics of processes, and then types of processes. We will explain them. We will discuss the importance of processes to an organization, and finally, we will discuss about the required tool. First, let us define the process. A process may be defined as the set of sequential activities carried out in a predetermined order to deliver value to the customer. I'm just repeating this. A process may be defined as the set of sequential activities carried out in a predetermined order to deliver value to the customer. Now, let us understand the characteristics of a process. Process will deliver the same thing again and again. Whether it is good or bad, it will does the same thing again and again. And that is the reason we say process is repeatable in nature. Once you design the process, it will repeat the same set of activities and it will give the same output again and again. The two important characteristics of a process is it is repeatable and consistency. When we say repeatable, whether a process is good or bad, it will does the same thing again and again. And when we say consistency, you can expect a process will do the same thing again and again. And this is very important to improve customer service within an organization. We have three types of processes in any given organization. One is primary, number two is secondary, and third is management processes. So we say in any given organization, we have finite number of processes, and these processes can be divided into primary, secondary, and management processes. The primary process is a mission of the organization, or that is the very reason this organization is in existence. And this organization makes money out of this, and through this way, they are serving their customers in terms of products and services. So when we say primary process or primary processes, these are all the fundamental processes of an organization. And then we have secondary processes. These are all the set of processes which are actually supporting the primary processes to function effectively. For example, IT billing, housekeeping in a hospital, they are called secondary processes. And then we have the management processes. These are all the processes which are governing and controlling the primary and secondary processes. And what is the importance of these processes in any given organization? For any organization, first they need to know what are all the processes they have, and then they have to work on improving these processes to the next level. Process mapping is somewhere between art and science. And when we say art, a process map should be presented well, and at the same time, it should have the right content, which should give insights to the process development professionals to take the process to the next level. And one of the most widely used tool is Microsoft Visio, using which you can create a stunning process map within an organization. So now, just to summarize, we started with the definition of a process, and we said a process is a set of sequential activities carried out in a predetermined order to deliver value to the customer. Then we discussed the two important characteristics of a process. One is its repeatable nature and consistency of a process. Then we discussed the three types of processes which are called primary, secondary, and management processes. Then we discussed what are all these processes, what are all these types. Then we discussed about the importance of a process, and finally we are wrapping up with the tool which is Microsoft Visio.